Hello guys, welcome to TechTube. Today we are going to see how to fix looking for incomplete download in YouTube, as it was a major error in YouTube. Now let's see how to fix it. First of all, go to setting option. In this you can slightly scroll down and you can see apps is there, app sections. You want to click it, and here you can see manage apps was having. Click the manage apps and wait for a couple of seconds and slightly scroll down. You can see YouTube is there. Click the YouTube option and here you can see clear data option is there in the bottom side. You want to click clear data, and here you can see clear all data and clear caches are having. Right now you want to click clear caches, and if you download any videos in offline, you did not want to click clear all data because it will be deleted right now. And here you can see in the top side one symbol is having. Click this icon and check the version is updated or not. This is updated version right now, 15.10.32. It's updated in this month, latest update. If it's not in latest update, this error will occur sometimes. So this is the way to fix looking for incomplete download in YouTube. So thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned to TechTube. Thank you.